Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I am going to share the easiest trick to create interactive pie chart or donut chart. For creating the pie chart or a donut chart, we need a circle which represents the complete and slice of the circle, or you can say pie, to represent the specific categories that compare the total percentage. So let's start with an example which is given here, my daily activities, where work is having 45.9%, it is 8.3%, and the same way commute, watch TV, and sleep. So these all are having the complete 24 hours of time, which is specifically divided into different percentages. For creating this interactive pie chart, we need a circle, and here the interaction is given like a hover effect, as well as the click interaction is given over the here. So let's see how to create pie chart. So here I will follow this example where my daily activities is given. So first I will take one frame, and here we need circle, or you can say ellipse. So here the total items are like a work, eat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will take first 5 circles and will name it accordingly. So first one is work. Now the next one, so just I copied this one and naming it as eat, commute, watch TV, and the last one sleep. So first we'll take all ellipse. So here total number of items are 5. So I have taken the 5 and name it. Now the next is I'm going to give the same color which is given here. So we'll start with the sleep. So before that I will hide other ellipse and select the sleep one. So here is the sleep color. Now hide the sleep and enable the watch TV. So select first watch TV and pick the color. So watch TV, now enable the commute and hide the watch TV. Select the commute, select fill color and select the color here. Next enable eat, hide commute, select the eat and select the color. Now enable work, hide eat, select the work and take the color work. So this is done. Now I will enable all. So first one is work, which is on the top layer, so it is appearing here. Remaining all are just behind this work. So the most important thing is here, this arc. So first we'll take this arc, and here the given percentage is 45.9%. So here you will find this start, sweep and ratio. So ratio we'll use to create the donut chart, whereas here sweep will give the percentage 45.9. Now the work of start. So from the start you can move this. Next one is 8, which is having 8.3%. So select the 8 and pull this arc, which is 8.3%. Now select the 8, start. So start will help to move. Next is commute. Again it is 8.3%. So before you won't get the percentage, so you first need to select the R, move it, and then give the percentage for commute 8.3. Select the commute, select the start, move it, and next is watch TV, which is 8.3. Select the watch TV, select the arc, move it, and give the percentage here 8.3. Select watch TV, move this start, and finally sleep. So sleep is having 29.2%. So move the arc, and here I have to give 29.2%. Now select the sleep, move start, so I didn't use the border here, so we can arrange it while we can zoom it. So next is we have to make the hover effect and the click effect. So for creating the hover effect, if we select the single any of the slice or a pie like work, eat, commute, the hover effect won't work if we make the hover on a single slice. So for that we need text over there, like you can see here sleep is having this text. So I will use the same text here, same way for watch TV, same way for commute, and the same way for eat, and we can copy this work. Now finally we have all those data here, like work is 45.9%, then eat, commute and watch TV and this sleep. So we need to have the hover, like we'll start with the work. So this is the work, and I'm just copying this and keep it above as a hover, work hover. If you want to give the effect, you select this effect and color. So I will use little u. Next is eat. So just copy this and name it over. Want to keep the effect, make it effect. Next is color. Commute. Just copy this and make it hover. Now effect and color. Watch TV. Copy it, make it hover. Select the color and effect. And finally we have the sleeve. Copy it and make it hover. Effect, color. If you want to use a border like a stroke which is given here, you can give in the initial phase of the circle, so it will come with this kind of a stroke. So I didn't use here. Now the next, once you have done with this, the second step is to create the variable. So here the variable is created as a boolean. You can see here work hover, all are false because these hovers are kept above, and while we hover on the like a default one like a commute, eat, work, then this hover will get true and the default one will get false. So for that, select this work hover and come to here appearance, right click, work over. So this work over is got hidden or make it false. Next eat hover, same way, appearance, right click, eat hover. Next is commute hover, select. So like this we can make it this boolean false. This is watch TV and finally sleep over. So right click, select sleep over. Now we need to give the interaction. For that we need to click on the prototype, interaction. Here is the click. So instead of click we can say while hovering, and while hovering what will happen, this is sleepover. So set variable sleepover true and add one more interaction, mouse leave, and here you can make it set variable sleepover false. That's it. So same interaction we can use for the eat, commute, watch TV and sleep. So this is given for the sleepover. So while hovering, sleepover will true, and while mouse leave, the sleepover will false. So same watch TV. So instead of on click, we will say while hovering, set variable, watch TV, hover true, and then one more interaction which is mouse leave, set variable, this is watch TV, it will be false. So you can copy this like command or control, copy, and this is watch TV is completed. Now commute, then control V. So hover here I have to just change instead of watch TV, commute, here mouse leave. So this is commute, select the commute over. Same way for eat. So I copied that interaction, I'm just pasting it here. So hover, this is eat. So then select the eat hover and mouse leave instead of watch TV, eat hover. Now finally we are onto the work. So just paste the interaction, hover. So this is work, select the work, hover, and then mouse leave, select the work hover. So this is done. Now we can preview it. So it will work accordingly, whatever color or effect we have given, it is working fine. So next is on click interaction. So this is based on this, which is given here. You can see work over true and remaining all false. So same way for this eat. So eat will be true, remaining all boolean value will be false. So this is the easiest interaction which we can create. Now the next, moving to the donut chart. So there will be a single difference between donut chart. So for creating the donut chart, I am taking one frame here. And again we need to have the 5 circle. So this is work. After work, second one is eat. And then we have watch TV. And then finally we have sleep. So same way we can give the color as we have given for the pie chart. So we'll start with the work, fill color, select color. So from the color picker it is work. Now the next is eat. So enable the eat, hide the work. You can take this eat color. Now enable commute, hide it, fill color, commute, enable watch TV, hide commute. So watch TV. Next is hide this and sleep. So sleep is having the color. So here now we'll hide this. Can check. Yeah. So now we can enable all. and here it is 45.9%. So for work, we'll select the work, move the R. So before doing this, here you can see this ratio. So use this ratio. I'm giving this 50%. So you will get the circle and middle and select work is selected. So what is the value of that? So value is 45.9. So here I can give 45.9. And if you want to move, so move this start. Next is eat. So eat, again move this arc. So before moving arc, so first move the arc, then give the percent ratio 50, and here is the value 8.3. Select the eat, it is here, move from the start. So sweep will increase this value or percentage, so we no need to use this sweep for that. Instead we have to move through the start. So here 8.3%. Next is commute. So commute, again move the R. Here you can give the 50%. It is 8.3%. Select the commute, move from the start. Next is watch TV. So move the R 50%, and this is 8.3%. Now you can select the watch TV and start. And finally we have the sleep, which is 29.2%. So select the sleep, move the R, and here you can give 50%, and the value for this is 29.2%. Now select the sleep, here it is, start and move it. So this is the donut chart, and here again we have the same interaction. So suppose if we need a sleep, so we can use this text, but we need to make this. So from here you can make this rotation, so it will rotate accordingly. You can increase or decrease the values. So here you can see 47.55% rotation. So same way this is sleep, and the next we can have the watch TV. So I'm copying from here, watch TV. Now next is commute. Eat. And finally we have the work. So we can keep the rotation using this value as it is required. Next, we'll have the same interaction and the same like a sleep. So sleep we can make it the hover, and watch TV we can make it hover, commute, eat, and finally work. Now here work hover we can give the color, and we want to add the effect. Next work hover is done, eat over. So you can add effect and fill color. Next is commute hover. So here I'm giving color, effect, and you can align, give the text. Next is watch TV. So this is hover. So add the effect. From here you can select the color and then sleep. So sleep over, you can add the color and you can give the effect. Now finally I'm going to assign the same variable which is created. So here you will get the work hover, and in appearance right click, work hover, heat hover, select heat hover, commute hover, appearance right click, commute hover, watch TV hover, so here, and then finally sleep hover. So you can use the appearance right click, click. Now the interaction, so we can use the same interaction which is given for this. So select this, use the command Control C, and come to this point where you will get the work. Just paste it. Same way for hover, and this is for 8. So just copy this using the command or Control C, and this is for the 8. So select this and paste it. Now we'll preview whether it is working or not. So it is working fine. So this is the easiest way where you can make the interactive pie chart or donut chart with the easiest boolean variable trick. Means we can use the boolean variable and we can give the interaction. Just we can make it the copy of the default pie or the slice of the daily activity. Like here it is the work, so I made it the work over, and as the same steps for the eat, commute, whatever we have the data here. For the donut chart we can have this where we can give the percentage value for the ratio, and it will create one circle, and in the middle of the circle we can give the name of the chart here which is given like a my daily activities. So here you can give the my daily activities in a circle. So this file is uploaded in Figma community. How is the trick? Please write on the comment. Thank you. Thank you very much.